What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I'm back in Wisconsin once again. I love this location. Love, love, love this location. Everyone that works here is so very nice. I can't wait to see what's inside. I know you guys love to walk in with me, and I've gotten some requests to even grab a cart in the beginning of every video. You guys say that you love it when I bring you all the way in and give you the ultimate experience. So here we go, just for you. And you guys, I'm seeing so many new items. It is just full with Christmas items. Let's look at the weekly wow. We have the foil pans, the oven bags, the chicken broth, the parchment paper, the turkey basters. We have the large 27 square feet of heavy duty foil. And look, you guys, we have 50-cent classic shortbread cookies here in my store, and they're just 50 cents. So that's on the weekly wow table. Wow, you guys, we have a lot to look at. I can't wait to film in here and film multiple videos. Right now though, I'm just filming my intro because I'm about to start a live in here. By the time you guys see this, I would have, of course, already finished my live. I usually go live Mondays or Tuesdays, depending upon the day that I go out. But after my live, I will film right here in this area. I'm probably gonna look at the table over here and start going through this wall here. There's just a lot to look at. I love checking out this little table. Last week in one of my other locations, I found these Martinellis, the apple grape, but it looks like this week we have the sparkling cider. We have the table runners. Oh, this is a new one. Dear Santa, just bring wine. These are definitely new for the week. We have a variety of glassware. Let's go around the other side. And don't forget, you guys, we have Christmas items here, but if you're looking for cookie plates, definitely go back to the back of the store. Well, not the back of the store, but go back to where all the glassware is and you'll find even more. These are so cute. If you guys are into making the little pillows and you want to do the quick hot glue method, that would make a really, really cute pillow. I really like that. I have a gray couch, so I like that design a lot. Okay. We saw this last week. Christmas calories don't count. We also have the rosé sparkling juice. Okay, I feel like I've shared most of these with you guys. So let's find some other things to look at. Of course, we have tons of wrapping paper, ribbons, scissors, bags, gift boxes, tags, bags and tags and tags and bags. I feel like I haven't seen a floating candle in years. Those are definitely floating candles, and those are brand new for the week. We also have Christmas picks up top. Cookie bags, aww, cookie bags. And they have the little cardboard insert. Plastic table covers. Flannel back tablecloths. Oh, these are cute. We have the snowman. These are just the little weighted decors. We have Santa with the buffalo check hat, and we have little elves. We have some wreaths. What's behind me? Let's see. The shatterproof ornaments. Oh, this one is cute and really non-traditional in the colors they use. That is so cute. Let it snow. All of the cookie containers. These ones are so cute. Now, I could tell you which one's missing. The chillin' with the gnomies, the gnome one is missing. I had a feeling that one was gonna sell out fast. We have little gingerbread men on this one. More containers, candy dishes, little plastic bowls, a couple different varieties. The stockings. Oh, I want to come down here and show you guys some more stockings because these are definitely new for the year. We have a cute little Santa stocking. This little one. I believe this one is new as well. Let's see if we have any new ornaments. The little doves. Santa, his beard is so soft. We have some more gingerbread men. I think these are new this week. They're really cute. And they're stackable. We have the gnomes. We have the snowman in the little red truck. These are cute too. I like the little scallop lid. And of course, if you guys need a lot of something, you can always go to dollartree.com and order a case of something if you need it. More little gingerbread. Someone that was watching my live was asking for gingerbread items, so I'm gonna make sure I point out gingerbread items whenever I see them. We have more new socks. More stockings, little hats. How cute. Some dogs love to be dressed up. That's how our little dog used to be. I used to put Christmas sweaters on them. Little bracelets, necklaces. We have little serving trays down here. Snowman. Poinsettia and pine. I really like that one a lot. I like the blue. Santa. And we have snow. I love pine cones and pine needles. Like, I love how that looks. Any Christmas decor that has that, I don't know, I just love it so, so much. Anyways, you guys, I think that's it for this video. I'm gonna go look around and see what else I can share. Oh my gosh, you guys. I wanna see what else I can share with you guys. Aw, gnomes and friends. Over 40 puffy stickers. It looks like it's a little activity book. It looks really cute. One more stocking stuffer idea. Whack-a-pack balloons. Anyways, you guys, that's it for me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, guys.